we're learning the children at the center of that St. Augustine surrogacy case have been taken now out of Florida. New documents filed this morning showing the children were taken to California 2 weeks ago.
And this development comes a week after we first told you about Kyla Simpson, a surrogate who gave birth to triplets here in Jacksonville. The intended parent, a man from China, still has not picked up the babies nearly 20 months, almost 2 years after their birth.
Investigative reporter Riley Phillips joins us live now in the studio with more on this case she has been digging into. And the children, though, we should say, are said to be okay and safe.
Yes, in this morning's court filing, the intended parent's attorney says he has been cooperating with DCF, and DCF has visited the children 3 times and has no concerns regarding their well-being. The children are now in California. Their location was not known to Kyla Simpson nor her attorneys until this morning. But I also just obtained the intended parent's response to the Simpsons' emergency motions. In those documents, the intended parent claims he was scammed out of thousands of dollars by another man. Newly obtained documents are shedding more light on the St. Augustine surrogacy case. Kyla Simpson was a surrogate for a single man in China. She gave birth to triplets in November 2024, though one of the babies passed away last year. The children are now nearing 20 months old, but the intended parent still has not picked up his children, and Simpson and her husband want to terminate the intended parent's parental rights. I obtained the intended parent's response to the Simpsons' emergency motions. The court filing claims the intended parent's visa application was denied and he was unable to enter the U.S. after the birth of the children. According to the filing, the intended parent hired a man in May 2025 to pick up his children. Simpson says she did not know the man and did not feel comfortable giving the babies to him. However, court documents state that man told the intended parent he had the children. He then allegedly sent fake court and travel documents to the intended parent and would send fake AI pictures and videos of the children. The court documents also claim this man told the intended parent not to reach out to Simpson directly. This went on for 14 months, according to the filing. The intended parent spent more than $300,000 on the surrogacy process, including a total of $130,000 to Simpson, according to a spreadsheet in the court filing, with the last payment made to her on May 2nd, 2025. The court documents also claim the babies were not safe in the Simpsons' home because of alleged vaping and smoking, and that there were at least 3 incidents involving DCF, though Simpson maintains those investigations were unfounded and the children were never removed from her care. And the Florida Attorney General is now involved in this case, and a St. Johns County judge granted a temporary injunction barring the children from leaving the U.S. A hearing is still scheduled for next week. Anthony.